everyone! Today we're going to explore some fascinating advanced English words that will enrich your vocabulary and make your language skills shine. Let's start with abstruse. This word is a noun at the C2 level and is pronounced abstruse. It means something that is difficult to understand or obscure. Imagine you're in a college lecture and the professor is explaining a complex mathematical theory. The lecture is so abstruse that even the smartest students are struggling to keep up. Other words you can use instead of abstruse are esoteric, recondite, and obscure. Next up is abomination. This noun is also at the C2 level and is pronounced abomination. It refers to something that causes disgust or hatred. Picture a scene of blatant cheating in a sports game. The act of cheating is considered an abomination in sports, causing strong feelings of revulsion. Similar words include atrocity, horror, and aberration. Moving on, we have accolade. This noun is at the C2 level and is pronounced accolade. It means an award or privilege granted as a special honor. Think about a talented actress who gave an outstanding performance in a play. She receives accolades for her remarkable work, earning recognition and praise. Other words that fit this context are award, honor, and commendation. Our next word is acquiesce. This verb is at the C2 level and is pronounced acquiesce. It means to accept something reluctantly but without protest. Imagine a friend asking you to go on a hiking trip, and even though you're not a fan of hiking, you acquiesce to their request. You agree to go along despite your reservations. Words like yield, submit, and comply are similar in meaning. Now let's explore acumen. This noun is at the C2 level and is pronounced acumen. It refers to the ability to make good judgments and quick decisions. Picture a savvy entrepreneur making strategic choices that lead to business success. Her business acumen helps the company thrive. Alternative words include insight, shrewdness, and wisdom. Next, we have affluent. This adjective is at the C2 level and is pronounced affluent. It means having a great deal of money or being wealthy. Imagine a luxurious neighborhood filled with grand mansions and expensive cars. The affluent residents enjoy a high standard of living. Similar words are wealthy, rich, and prosperous. Moving on to aggrandize. This verb is at the C2 level and is pronounced aggrandize. It means to increase the power, status, or wealth of someone or something. Picture a person constantly boasting about their achievements to gain admiration. They seek to aggrandize themselves in the eyes of others. Words like exaggerate, enhance, and magnify fit well here. Our next word is altruistic. This adjective is at the C2 level and is pronounced altruistic. It means showing a selfless concern for the well-being of others. Imagine a person dedicating their time to volunteer at a shelter, helping those in need. Their altruistic nature shines through their selfless actions. Similar words include selfless, charitable, and philanthropic. Next, we have ambivalent. This adjective is at the C2 level and is pronounced ambivalent. It means having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something. Picture someone torn between two choices, unsure of which path to take. They feel ambivalent about the decision. Words like uncertain, conflicted, and undecided capture this meaning. Finally, we have ameliorate. This verb is at the C2 level and is pronounced ameliorate. It means to make something better or improve. Imagine a community coming together to solve a problem and improve living conditions. Their efforts aim to ameliorate the situation. Other words that fit this context are improve, enhance, and better. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture and found it enriching. We've covered some fascinating advanced vocabulary, and I'm thrilled to see you all making progress. Remember to practice these words and incorporate them into your daily conversations. Looking forward to our next lesson, where we'll explore even more intriguing words and their meanings. Until then, take care and keep learning. See you next time.